ngibike out yakho ne?
No.
Underscore.
Yeah. Samara. Yeah, underscore.
Awufuna ukwenza
Hey, gara.
Azamagama abantu ngalawo like.
Mubukela ijika amajika.
Yayazi.
Angiyazi.
Yo, shit. This proves that I'm old. Fuck.
Digress kancane. Likompa sounds like Limpopo.
How the story ukuthi uShandesh
Ufuna indash.
and Amavin Maram to the team. If we all had superpowers here, who'd be the villain?
Let me just be for real.
Who? Staff.
Yeah, always rolling, boy.
Ayiwa, that's ushashalaza sithini namhlanje.
Vandaag jij niet.
Channel Podcast episode 21.
Is it 21?
21. Actually 22.
No, it's 21. I think they have X.
Oh.
Yeah, they are 2 years.
Shashala.
Shashalaza FM, dog. Okay, mfethu, see.
We are back.
Yazi ngifuna isishu. What's up YouTube anyathala?
Nye sayisho isasuka. Isasuka sasho daye.
We don't do that here.
We don't do that. No.
Eh, bafethu namhla ihleli no
__ K.
I had to do that too.
Okay, can I go first? Mbuzi. What inspired the name behind ___?
It's just underscore. Underscore K. So tonight my speak IG. Then sabona bo underscore by 3 because
but like
it's the character, it's the actual underscore
and the character K.
Oh.
That's why we city ___ K.
It's underscore K.
So ukarab.
Yeah, karabo enhle.
That's nice.
Go ikhala khoma lephelelo karabo enhle or karabo.
Karabo enhle.
Hayi iliphi lelo?
Yes.
Uyini umsuthu umzulu wa?
Umsotho.
Karabo enhle. Oh, a beautiful it's not a gift, a beautiful answer, dog.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. Oh.
Karabo.
Shwashwalas.
Answer to the DJs, to the female DJs. You a female DJ, right?
Hayi ufuna ukuthini? Whoa. Mawuthi are you a female DJ ufuna ukuthini? Ubuza ini kahle kahle.
Ngibuza ukuthi DJ basically.
Oh.
Kanti
Are you female? Let's be sure. And everything.
Yeah, I understand. We live in a new world, dog.
Yeah.
We need to ask.
Are you born
Mara?
Yeah, born female.
Ngikubuza ne, ngicela ukuyakresa ne. Ngikubuza last week. Lesihamba nabomzala ngithi. Saye paradise nabomzala. Bengikuphi? Hey. Hey abomzala bayahluma sebadakiwe.
Abomzala siyakwazi.
Yo.
Kuala.
No, vibe bona but hey.
Yeah.
Khona umunye ngifika ngibonise yini. Na you've HDMI plus. Nhlekani man.
Sitafu. Actually, when did you start DJing?
I started last year September. Yeah.
Okay, like uqale kuphi?
Ngake siyo le ndawo le ngikhohle but sesikhosana. Yeah.
Spray.
Yeah, spray.
And then like
You Spray.
Yeah.
You from Spray, man?
Yeah.
ngashinte bed.
I was about to say some shit.
Was it a gradual thing? Like, yeah, I'm starting out to be a DJ, or was that like the first time you performed? No, like, kahle ne. Let me put it like this. Mina,
Close to the mic, ne?
Okay. Bengafuni ukuba DJ kahle.
Ungafuni?
Yeah, yes. Like, it's ubu DJ, like, it was something that bengekho ngqondweni wami yabo.
Okay, so how did it come about?
Like, I started being a dancer yabo.
Ujayiva.
And yeah.
Ngashayela izepho wena.
High school yami
Akazwakali.
bengijayiva yabo.
Yeah.
High school yami bengijayiva. So
Qhubeka khuleka.
then maseng like mangiqeda matric, that's when ngayithanda ukuthi okay, because benginomngani beka DJ. So ngathi okay, lento le ngiyayithanda mara like ngithi amanamba angaka ngiyikhole letho.
Wait, what do you mean amanamba ngaki?
Like ama-party.
Oh, okay.
Like namanamba bengi-understand
Yeah.
but was no ngizokufundisa then ke.
Wait, the girl uyokufundisa ilona. Who? Who?
Guy.
Esasimani. Ehlele manager yakhe la ngaphandle.
Mr. Manager.
Kube lo kahle kanyona kuyo.
Ngathi kodwa kumele ushare yona.
Ngike uthe khona?
No.
Ashwa.
Bekungani umngani wami. Yes. Uyongifundisile.
I believe.
Yeah.
Fundisa ukuzwipa lento.
So, okay, what kind of music do you play?
I play booty. But I started playing it hip house.
Oh, awu heavy musweni.
Ngiyasinda mos. Mr. Manager, ubuyazi lento leyo.
The voice if ufuna ukukhuluma ne please there's the mic.
There's a mic there.
No, always. Yeah, that's nice actually. So it's been like a year now. You
Yeah.
DJ. I bet.
Sundowns ne?
How are you finding the industry?
Yeah, actually.
Is it
Oh yeah,
where you thought it
yeah,
would
futhi
be?
asicaleleni phansi sibuze kahle le question ne. As a female, yini ama challenges ohlangana nawo?
Yes.
Yo,
Because
like,
thina siyazi ama riders sinenkinga, ama rider basiningi nangu uyazi naye. Ngombuza lo kahle indawo sikoloti ride.
Hey, yazi into.
Nangu simbeka.
Waqinisa ubuso, same day.
Abekho ama rider. Eh man,
Hayi chance niyabona manje kubusy.
yisecurity.
Niyenza yonke into. Nah, man, we love you fam. We love you fam.
Hayi yacaba phela. Bo inkosi siye guys ngingamangala.
Anyway,
Umuntu la.
chila nami, chile nathi.
So yeah, you can answer the question.
like ama-challenges engiwafesayo ne ayafana nawabafana, just that okay umuntu uzofuna inamba yakho asifuna ukukubukha kanti
Yeah.
yabo sekafuna into but like masile in person like sure gig or something
Yeah.
banokusogolisa vele bangafuni ukusipha izinto zethu and stuff.
Amara sibese yabona Mr. Manager ngathi akwazana.
Manje hasn't it come like haven't you ever like faced the challenge ukuthi like uyafika maybe ku-event and then maybe promise like a rider or something like that and then ungayitholi?
Yeah, it happens.
Also
And how do you handle it if that happens? Do you continue or like?
Atumisa mic.
No, phela thingithi kuyadepend yabo ukuthi ngifike ngadlala but lento le I think iyenzakale ngisaqala but manje because manje sesiyazi ukuthi sifuna something bese siyodlala.
Ubuza.
Bullshit.
I-rider yakhe njani?
Hayi.
Hayi Mr. Manager.
Manager yala.
Hayi wo baba, wo.
Manager is yali.
Now PR asofuna ukushaya ama PR answer manje, wo. How? We are podcasting here, wo.
So
Podcast.
mina ngisho ukuthi irada yami yini.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's subjected to change.
Okay, bheka.
It's subjected to change. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi angithi manje we are pushing you as a brand. Makuse kuyisikhathi when you are big enough it's subjected to change. Ingachange i-rider yakho. Futhi nakhona manje at least ukhuluma nge-rider. Why if makuse kuyisikhathi sobe sikhuluma ngama finances like
Exactly, yeah,
I understand.
Because right now masikhuluma kanje mangothiwa answer ne and then kuyenza ukuthi umuntu obhekelele ufuna ukubhuka. Sakayazi ukuthi anyazi mina
Yeah.
ngithini, yabo.
No, like okay, thingithi irada sometimes asithathi yabo sifuna imali.
The pillow. Sorry. Yeah, cela uqhubeke.
Sometimes like asithathi irada. Sifuna imali asifuna irada yabo yabo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, but wait.
Esikhathini esiningi sithatha imali but masithi riders sikhuluma nge-Ramaister because ngikhuza yona.
Okay. Coughing syrup.
Oh, now ubhizi njengamanje. Ufuna ukwazi
Ngeke. Ufuna ukwazi ifiki are you Joe?
Buza ndaba.
That's like a DJ's like
How?
hey Joe
But
like
that's not confidential.
manje tanga sekumele sitshela abantu live on cam ukuthi uPopayi no Spinach babahira ngemalini.
How?
It's not confidential.
It is
My
bra.
brother.
I think it's very
Wait, singing explain into one ne. Khona manje ubani ongayazi fika kaKabza.
ukabza wena
Nakathi sikhuluma ngabo DJ.
ungakhohlwa
sikhuluma ngabo
ukuthi sikhuluma ngomuntu o well profiled akere
Yeah.
phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi now we are avoiding exploits because uzothi na a young 500 would do it for me mara let's say uyodlala kangcono ukudlula umuntu obambhadale 2000 because lo muntu lo uthe yena ufuna 2000
Mara some confidential. Ningasho kanjani?
I
bra
think it's confidential because now, Uzotin, I think it's confidential because she's gonna be like, okay, sharp. EPM is this and that, and then now it's gonna be difficult for when she wants to, new rates like because it's like, but the other time you said it's
Yeah.
this and that.
It's not difficult. That's
It
really
is
big,
also.
isn't it?
I don't think when she goes to certain events she charges the same price. Do you? Like anywhere you go, same.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why it's the same. It doesn't change. The moment uba ne-rate ne, i-rate yakho iphakama nge-status sakho.
Yeah.
So if every year mhlambe ugina ama-follower wenzani iyaphakama na i-rate yakho mfethu. So ayikho confidential le thing. Uma ngakutshela last time mina the last njobe ngitshela ukhumbula ngitshela last amade ngimasa DJ Asikazi bengibhadala 3.5 and I've never been lento lokuthi manje ntwana ngeke ngitshela ukuthi ngibhadala
manje ntanga botbhatala 3.5 ngeziphi inkathi when was this
2020 2021 2022
dog wena kunemali dog wait
Yeah,
2020 went dog because 2020 was covid
lockdown ngithi yini beniphethe lockdown
mina lapho bengifunda ke
Sihlala
yilapho bengishaya into i-virtual DJ kakhulu
thina sihlale elokushini thina
Sihlale lapha,
Uthola bavule endaweni ufike uyodlala hayi endaweni but
so awuqalanga ukufunda ukudj nge-virtual DJ
Yeah, ngiqale ngayo kahle mina ukudijela ngiqale theoretical yabo ngafunda
theoretically le
ngayesigela ngathi isigela nemara isigela
bathi 4 bars
yeah
bathi 16 bars
wangifundisa everything on paper qala ukuthi okay this
uba
hayi wena wesigela straight
ngicela ukuza mara vele khona ama course singashaye
Oh, yeah,
abantu abanye esikoleni
DJing courses.
DJ 101
hit me up man funda ukudj I have someone onganifundisa ukudj ngama-CDJ 350 yeah
futhi uyakwazi la nge-350
yeah so actually
When?
I was checking out your profile ne I saw vele laphayana you actually have some dope stuff eh
Yini ushaya
it's
hashe?
nice
I have to ask that
Amariash ntanga isn't it part of the chain of being a DJ
uyashaya hashe
ukabza uqeda ukushaya hash
ukabza
But actually it's not yash you know what happened da I can explain
quality equipment.
I can explain no it's not fault dog
which event was this
it's on YouTube dog it's one of those videos it was trending now ukuthi ukab yacava bokabs that they were picking ngakhona just because you shy mistake kwinto we set like so trend so you know what happened let me land so this is the incident ukabza ukhalisa konje which song was he playing yeah tugutugutu yeah this is the video mara I don't know if they are going to flag us tugutugutu ne and then like
ukabza ushaya hashe
bekashaye effect asiyash pese but ushaye effect ne makashaye effect kanjalo chiki lapho ukuthi sekumele acime effect wa press Q button yaqala phansi
oh
you understand but then
Mistake yemenzeli hash.
I mean ngisomdefend ukabza mara yeah
it's not a hash that one yazi hash
ama-button like people people should understand ukuthi kwi-CDJ like ama-button are close by like effects yeah
mancane amanye makhulu
how do you prepare for that set
like obviously you said okay uyayiprepare ne but ungaprepare into so mawufika lapha mawuzodlala ingoma uqo uyabona abantu beboreki then uyachange mina ngizothi
phatha ama-USB engakhi mayigigini
kuma-USB wami khona angisho khona ama-folder kumele ube ne-folder yama-favorites wakho yeah
she's a DJ bro
Yeah.
like for the mere fact ukuthi she can like read the crowd
Yeah.
because that's what I got ukuthi she can actually read the crowd abone ukuthi bra owangikuto yangihambeli bakhaliva yaskidong
kwahle
I understand
ngiyenzi leyo
Kahle futhi.
ngizoyilalela lento engiyiphethe
But
but
the-
USB one
yeah nama also have,
anyadlala
like when stuff like weird dog
anyadlala
yeah but okay there's this stigma dog ukuthi female DJs they actually get ama gigs because female DJs, I understand. Having if like I guys is a kuwe lento lokuthi like hayi look at lo mam guy slot because very girl.
Khona lo bekadlala lapha ya eParadise. Do you think that's the case?
Just Gigi dog.
Shy number la mntwana.
Yeah, but ngithi manje sibuza
That's
yena.
what
Just
I'm
Gigi
saying, that's what I'm
sombuza
saying.
naye makala.
Hayi angimfundi la.
Ngeke lingani kule couch
Yeah.
ngale.
Just, you know, I used to go to school with her.
Ungena next
Yeah, she
umfonele
does.
kusasa umtshela ukuthi eze le.
Eli just
Yeah,
Gigi
so,
ndo
yeah.
tangathatha le space lesi so ngibetsa yo yo. And udlulela emva kwami lapha eParadise dog.
Bongamnakanga.
Kana ngizwa ngeperfume. Into le.
Athi liyavana imanager ka Fulls.
Uzwile bathi hey allegedly this is alleged ngizwe somewhere ngizwe bathi usishana they out clear. Usishana.
Apparently, I'm not booming. Angithi
Mina ngazi.
I'm booming.
Angifuni ukusuka.
Oh, kodwa nje
Bathi
awusiyazi.
usuka. Yeah.
So kusho ukuthi ngisho lento ngiyeke.
Kanjani?
Yeah, depend.
Akalalanga. Okay.
No, but they've been dating for years.
Wait. Exactly.
What's your point?
What's your point, dog?
She
What's your
slipped her
point?
way to the top.
No, you know, I think happened now because she was in that industry.
Yeah, bye. Hey, dog, I'm nothing about. Yeah.
Because she was in that industry, like with him and everything. It was just, it's like, oh, I want to be a DJ, but they were already in a relationship. Not to say that she did that, you know.
Mamela, who?
Come on. Come on.
Let me support my
Sharp,
statement.
okay, let's hear.
Why ukhetha ukuba idili wangavela ngathi ngiyo actor mina ngoba wena baby manager ama DJ like something like uvela ubona
She tried
easy
that.
access ukuthi angiyangena lo.
Dog, yes, it's like in one. Let's say if they say mining, if they say the mining industry is booming right now and there's easy access to it, bangakho abantu abazofloga down.
Yeah, into ngisho.
Same as the
it's not-
industry of
I'm not saying lento like uyenzile.
Okay.
Just top of my mind. Ngathini? But because
Oh, we are shooting what if?
Because
What
what
if?
abajola hayi.
Yeah, because
Makes
obvious,
sense.
if you have a partner who's in an industry, or when I would say, okay, if I get into this industry in Zobuma, why not take the opportunity?
Yeah, futhi
Plus he looks very amvumela
lonyana.
Oh, vele nobuthula iphongo lokukhulu feli yo.
Nento ukuthi yena makayina she
Nice.
nice songs yena.
Yeah, yo, I was
She's
jivisile.
not bad, guys. I've never heard any of her sets.
Ufuna
Hey, bruh.
paraphrase kaka.
This
And
guy.
apparently she got a BBL on top of the banging body that she had.
Hey, angikhumbula asasewunamhla. Ah,
That
bra.
lady
Mara
had a
bekasamile
banging
still.
body.
She's a nice boy.
That's what I'm saying. Why
Angazwa
But manje ngathi like
Yeah.
hey yazini bazothi thina siya body shame. Futhi
Ah,
angizini.
it's body shame.
ribs nice.
We're saying her body is very
Ribs
nice.
nice.
I primary bengizosho something with like I understand ispoon needs to be a bit like jiggly nyana. I can like this is my speculation. I'm not as in body shaming. Yabona that's why ngithi asiyekeni le
Your
topic.
stuff definitely.
I'm not body shaming but ngisasho kuphela.
ngithe mali ngisuka mamela wangisuka nginika mama ikhiphe podcast.
Well, now you want to get us
Anginamali.
into trouble.
Unenkinga kayihlafuni.
Moving on. Singaya ku prep yami because
Okay,
when I shame hey
Shwa da.
hey
We're gonna
hey,
talk
hey.
about the BBLs and the breast reductions.
Hey, actually, let's just start there.
Yeah.
Joe, did you know, Uguti, like, when a woman, like, does breast reduction, they can actually grow back.
Amabele akhula futhi.
Dog,
I think it only
crazy.
grows back like if you're still like in your developing years or something.
So, did you see that video of that woman, Oyele Wayenza, breast reduction, like, a year ago? But this year,
Abuyela futhi.
Abuile, and like that.
So amabele
big,
afanele
like-
liva kahle kahle.
I don't know, but I didn't know
I
about
don't
this
think I have full on
information.
everybody. I think there's the hormone. Kind of what's the hormone?
Growth hormone.
Ozempic.
Estrogen. Estrogen. Yeah, estrogen. I think maybe if you've got like a surplus of estrogen in your body, they'll definitely grow back. Because as a developing teenager, you're like,
Ay, maralo yakusi teenager, lo muntu omdala, Joe.
yeah, maybe she just has a lot. Yeah, no,
Yo,
you
Joe,
know, it
it's so
happens.
sad, bruh.
They grow
Caster Semenya
back.
ushota
So
ngayo
sad.
ngithi leyo.
And then,
Oh, uCaster Semenya ushota ngayo estrogen ngithi.
mntana mara wena.
Probably.
Wangana amabele.
Yeah, I think maybe.
dog.
Yeah. I think Ushota estrogen and then she's got too much testosterone.
Not body shaming. Just jija amabele wakhe makhulu.
No,
Is it
no,
fine?
scientifically proven ukuthi ushare amagane endlu enkulu amabele wakhe mancane.
Yeah, is it science? It's
Einstein. Bangibuzile.
Scientifically proven.
Bangibuzile ukuthi ngazi scientist Einstein babushilo boy. Ngiyadlala
Yo,
not
mara,
scientifically but
that's
according to science yamajika. Ushare amagane endlu enkulu amabele mancane. amaphilo amakhulu nokuba ne-shrub.
_. What's the craziest thing you've ever seen eGroovin?
Yazi mina ujwayele ukubiza ngale gama lelo vele. Sohlangana nawe egigini ku underscore. Para.
Yeah, man, ngibuza question ukarabo how. Yeah. What's the craziest thing you've ever seen eGroovin? Why whether you're on set or uda?
Yo, mangidlala ngiba focus ku-DJ like I'm
So abanaka abantu.
okay ngiyabanaka but then no cause ithi craziest thing engayibona ukuthi bengidlala yabo so mangiphakamisa ikhanda ngibona like ama-classmate am like and abanye bathi abadala bazile bamele mina ukuthi ngibabheke then guys
Mara, that's one of the worst things you can encounter then.
Do you groove besides grooving just for work? Do you yourself groove? You don't.
Don't lie.
Wait. Singing challenge like to be born.
Don't
Singing
lie.
challenge like to be born.
Wow.
You see when you were asking the question, imanager woni busy phone lapha yana. Uphakamisa inhloko.
Phoze kancane.
And then ngibona uyahleka or answer PR answer leya
Straight up.
Yeah, leya PR answer.
no we don't groove we don't
Okay, how is it like ukuthi and groovy mara nifuna yo groovy ngijayivisa abantu?
So
Doesn't make sense.
waste imali emjayivweni. Nina nifuna waste imali emjayivweni.
no uyazisenzani okay ngizothini sigroova like masihambile sodlala singisho kanjalo angiyosebenza like sithatha as the groove because afterwards ngingahlala nyana kuma 30 minutes
So groove is work to you.
not really I'm sure
Wait. Yeah. Actually I'm right. Is groove is work to you?
yeah
Okay.
Maybe you stay back just to get like a few more contacts. Like,
yeah
there you go.
Why the hee
So logo so qali look DJ, is there like any contact like of one of the famous DJs who I told?
yeah
Who?
Kenya Greens
Kanya Greens King.
Kenya Greens
King.
Stop! What is your problem? Do you not know her?
she's an
Oh,
actress
it's a person.
Oh,
Wait, maybe you must
So they- Gotta keep back your soul.
actor. Ute she's an actress, ne?
Yeah.
Ubani igama lakhe like actor famous.
Actor
role?
kuphi?
uactor ku
Famous one.
Ungathi skim sami ne.
no
Wena hayibo.
ETV beku Smoke and Mirrors
I've also seen her now go
Angazi ngibuya.
the M channel.
Channel.
Like akana famous role like le ukuthi imshange breakthrough ukuthi abantu bamazi.
Not that I know of, honestly.
Yeah, na ngude voice. The voice uye bekumela actually Kanya
No,
Queen.
Papa and I know
Where's my
her.
phone?
That's why I.
Oh yeah, but okay, what was the context? Uhlangane kanjani naye?
okay bengiyodlala kwenye indawo soForceville and naye bekadlala
Oh, yeah, DJ futhi actor DJ.
yeah DJ
Crazy.
ushayina
Negative. Guys, like me, positive. This guy negative. Like I don't understand this guy too.
That's why I
So,
see.
you
That's why I
understand?
see.
Yeah, no stuff. Hater fucking alert. Yo, hater
What?
alert.
No, that's why I see
Like,
you
so,
paid.
can I
Angithi-
wait. Can I warn you?
Yeah, stop.
Can I warn you about something?
What?
Do you know ukuthi umuntu mawunyela like mawunganyela like let's say i-artist. Le artist le khona like ama crazy fans ngayi like like
Manje bazongishaya.
no like
I'm sure you guys know her.
Awuthunya unyele.
understand ukuthi like there's a fan base uyithathayo mawuthathayo an artist.
Awuthunya unyele.
Unisibhamu wena.
Hater alert, hater alert.
No, guys,
Nje-
wangiqoba serious. Athi ngibone yini?
Awunomzimba yo. I don't know her though. Hayi. Akaqhubeka akhanyelele.
Ayakhanyelele.
hayibo
Angimazi khanya
Shangibele
Queen.
kufubu naye.
Hayi man dog. Stop. Hey dog. Wena bazosikansela.
Angimazi
ngale
Lusisi.
tenzani.
Angimazi, ufamous?
I don't know.
Oh.
Khanya Queens. I don't know. Mara ushaya number fela.
yo shayina
Yeah, I know she's good.
Ukwamamela uJust Gigi. Oh, abe ngizothi vele ungaba compare fela.
I don't compare people.
naye yena ushaya iboots most of the time
Oh, ushaya iboots.
isidongo sakhe
Nice.
Maya amalokutshuni wakho thatha.
Yeah, actually.
Amalokutshuni.
That's a good question.
ngathatha
Manje nje lokubheka.
Are there any artists osebenza now? Like ukuthi ngicela ngishayele ingoma ngiyo DJ, I'll be having a gig like this, so I need like ingoma nyana ngizozidlala lezi ukuthi abantu abazazi.
Yeah, khona umuntu ongisendela ama-exclusive. Yabo, khona abantu actually ama-producer.
Yeah.
But abekho famous like BuzzFeed.
Oh.
Bona nje ba-
Abo-PC, yeah.
So bona bavele bangiphi ama-exclusive.
That's
Cela
nice.
ubuza guys, what are lock tunes?
Lokutshuni
Yeah.
ingoma ezingareleaswanga
Abantu aba-hip hop hits.
like
uKaty Perry lapho
aziriliswanga ingoma zakho nile ngoma ukuthi mawuzishazema ama-unshazamable yes ama-lokshuni lawo mara moving
Sama
on hey
So
amabela
yeah, DJ
yakhulu
nge-Fruity Loops.
yeah
yeah
What is Fruity Loops?
Leya
What does
question
it do?
leya baby confident
What
so
does it do with Fruity Loops?
I wish make sure
uyazivoxavoxa
the question isibali
Come on.
Fruity Loops is where you make the song.
yes
Yeah, I get it. If you're making the song, you can DJ the song.
No, you don't use the same. You don't use the same app.
moving on who's killing it more than Royal in the Royal music in the like music industry right now?
Who's killing it more?
Yeah, more than Royal
Tabakona,
music.
ntwana.
Let's say Motion.
Motion wise.
Yeah.
Wenzani uRoyal ngoba mina ngiyazi Motion.
Pa.
Lento le.
Hacho, isegazini.
Lento le. Ngikhaba.
Vele uphisi
Mara uphisi
mara
like super
I ask this
silent.
question yazini inkinga ne la masibuza ama question ano answer ngithanda digress ngiyela ngayibuza le question ngathi uPC no Justin 99 what happened abasa perform bonke now or what's going on?
I said it's because of the game.
Each of them have their solo careers.
This guy
Yeah, but I think they also had solo careers vele.
Before.
Bebengasi duo. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They're not a duo those ones. They
But
just
they
make
just
songs together.
Oh, okay. And then other
Baba the chemistry. So no, uyambona ubusiness Bonjour yena ngithi.
Ubani Ponjo?
PC.
What is Ponjo?
Angazi ukuthi bekaya ngathi bekaya in what language is that?
France.
French.
Bekaya
It's French. Okay.
Angazi bekayenzani France.
Okay.
Bekabulisa amagrot manje stratela lokathi Bonjour so.
Abafethi Bonjour.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
there was a video yenzile.
No,
Athi
I'm
Bonjour?
talking about the other guy. Lo, what does he say? Abafethi Bonjour. And some
Machobel.
so pirating so bright.
Oh yeah, uyu Machobel.
Machobel.
Yeah,
Angazi. Yeah, as we were saying, uRoyal emwenzeni.
No, when you shoot, there's no one in the industry like ngimbonayo ukuthi he's like
Uyenza
unemotion
obviously,
Royal
that's
right
why
now.
Ugijimise ukuthi bambhuke vele akana chance. Sibuka lento leyo masimbuka. Does he play nice music?
Royal music. Talking ingoma zaka Royal music is same catalog as ingoma zabo Shumaster, abo X-Dapi. Ile ngoma lezi abo Benzo futhi like ingoma zabo Benzo lezi.
While we are on that chat, uBenzo.
Benzo.
Uzoyaphi lo empilweni ngalento ayenzani?
Wenzile.
Balaka ipiano.
Hayi baba ungazozala, that's fine.
Every song. Every song. Microwave.
Phakathi ke-microwave.
Wayizo into engibuzayo. Into eyi-one every song. Nethi ukuthi utshintsha lapho nalapho lo.
uScott wenzani? They told you about uScott.
Vum, vum,
Cabanga
vum.
manje babambize ku one of the radio stations. This guy was performing that song. Bayenza nama dance challenge. Marketing genius boy.
So uBenzo naye marketing lento ayenzayo.
I feel like emotion like
Isitayela sakhe lesi.
understandile ukuthi abantu bafuna ingoma zokuthi like uyajive dance songs and lezi zinto abo sikuphi sichewe like they are catchy songs. Ingoma ukuthi amasinga lo.
Microwave.
Yeah.
Lengoma le njalo mayingena.
Namu user.
uBenzo
Namu
uyamuzwa
user.
Mara I think
Mara khona le yashaye khona epalini yabona 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 what about 11 bring 11 hayi lapho shaya ipala
isikhathi masiya vele into ezoyenzakala ngayizodidlana la lenyaka because kwamanje sase hot vele.
Yeah, but ride it while it's hot. Yo.
Yeah, he's also doing that's what he's
Yeah.
doing vele noScott nanto wenza kanjani
Yeah.
wafika washaya konje yebo lapho
Yeah.
mara basamhlanyela wagibela lento leyo vele
mara bebathi uzowa musi makakhipha
Scott bekaqula
ndoto uScott bekazenzela yonke into bekaziproducela bekacula beka yonke into wayi DJ DJ la performela beke mic la shaya yonke into
yeah mara abana
and imspanele rating because bekuvama manje
mina ngayo yombhekelela like liya feri may yeah
like abantu abane charisma like so when I'm out DJ like are you one of those ukuthi like unokuthi mawuthatha umoya kahle uvele uyekela iseto hamba uyoshiya java ne crowd
yazi mawuthi moya ngicabanga izangoma manje ngithi
uyentholile uyapeta
ngilost
yeah or you just
underscore mina ngicela ukukanselela ayenzi leyo
Yeah, no.
You and why not nigga chat?
Yeah, what did she say?
yeah no mamela wait angithi manje manselela uzo answer after if I'm wrong angithi why kanti yini
Digress.
request
Yangichaza nje lugama nje kuphela. Angazi. Iyachaza noma yini digress.
yeah
Yeah.
No, like angiyezi ngijavela lapho. Angiyi stage ngijavela.
ena mara uyidance uye stage
How fit?
akusho ukuthi vele ukudance bokungasinto yakho bujayiva nje
Bekuyinto yami just that ogasendlini bayikhaphe fast.
Hey, mawukela ijika amajika.
ayazi
Angiyazi.
Yo, shit. This proves that I'm old. Fuck.
yeah exactly
Yo yangilaha le.
jika majika iwantanga yonto nawe into nekhinya feel
Nyamara feli. Oh, i-TikTok le nenza ukuthi nifuna ukujive. Like Joe, i-TikTok.
TikTok is the new jika majika
It's the best.
i-mix ne-Gmail khona lapha ekhumbula Gmail
Hey, do wena umdala yo.
awuyazi
Wena umdala wena. Sala into kuphela ngizoyisho umdala kuphela.
Yeah, no.
Like you're old.
Uyazi
bro.
Gmail?
Yeah, no.
Mawuzo
Get away from
sakhumbula
us.
i-Gmail wena umdala yo.
that's man lona wayiziphi
Siyayazi, but come on.
ngakhohlwa uthwasa mara into eneza ayikho right mara yena ukhohlakele shem
Umzala ngiyakwazi is topping the charts ne?
yini le
Lengoma
ngoma
yakazi.
lesidlale the first song sidlala speak
Yakazi inxumalo.
iyo le besidlala speak
Yeah, Mzala siyakwazi topping the charts ne? Yeah, that song is really fire actually. Zinxumalo. Ehleko zinxumalo uvelo afika nje. Pah.
angicale nge-funk 99 buka i-funk bani
Oh, dlala captain.
66.
wabuka i-66
Axi 55. 55, yeah.
55.
Fact 55.
inawo maningi lama-funk
Dlala.
I'm sure khona
captain.
ne-100 ikhona ne
Oh yeah, maningi actually. Yeah, you're right. I feel like amanye azange bawa release because maybe they saw ukuthi abantu bagcine bakhathala ngaliya sound liya fast.
mara that sound was fire
It was, but like
mele bayibuyise le funk series
you know one thing I've noticed ngepiano ne esporeka fast.
we move on fast
Esporeka fast.
That's why we are into Likompo.
Hey, you have the store Akir. You have the store. Come with it. We are queuing it. We are queuing it right now. We are queuing it. Come on with it.
That's why we're into Likompo and you guys. Oh, shit. Suck.
The voice. Let's be excited.
Yeah, but that's why Mamela Likompo and everybody's in it. But now there's Likompo drama. What's going on?
Yeah.
ngicela ukuhlakalela into enye digress kancane ne Likompo sounds like Limpopo
Likompo, Limpompo.
it's
Likompo, Limpompo.
and the music was Limpopo man
Yeah, mara.
okay exactly
Bathathe inanda ihlanganisa.
basuse umpompo bafaka ukompo
Likompo.
Hlanganise some traditional
I think,
songs,
yeah,
maybe
maybe
na
khona
piano
igama
somehow
le-
somewhere.
le genre yaselimpopo esingayazi
Yeah.
kom somewhere la
Okay. Hey, okay. Moving
Yeah,
on.
you can
Likompo
continue.
drama. Hey,
Yeah,
because we
Likompo
are
drama,
Hey.
Mimi, Shandeshi,
Yeah.
all these people. What's going on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have it on my prep. Do you want me to
Yeah.
the first
read the
story
full
season,
story?
yeah.
Okay.
Read the
Like
full
ngenze summary, ne? My own summary. But
asikhohlekani mfethu
like underscore.
mfethu
Awufuna ukwenza
Hey, gotta.
Asamagama abantu ngalawo like
Oh.
come on.
ngiyabona uyalaha ngithi kwenzakalani
Shandesh no Mimi. Okay. So Mimi and Shandesh were allegedly fake dating for the socials.
eating
Let me land.
okay ngiyabuza ngizwanga phela
Yeah, it's fake dating. Well. Summary. This is my summary, guys. Ne?
summarize it
I can be wrong. I can be right. Kahle ngi paraphrase it. Yeah. Now Mimi's true girlfriend is exposing everything on her Insta. Yeah. Walk with me. Apparently, Shandesh and Mimi gave each other fake engagement rings just to push the narrative. She further alleges that Shandesh cheats on Mimi with gents and Shandesh apparently, but Unganywa the T. Oh, I'm a cheat again.
Machita no
No, I can't with Mashoranja, but Shandesh apparently tanda
Silent pants Shandesh out noma ushela
Shandesh girl feed. So it's 2 men. Ushandesh.
Oh, lesbian.
Yeah, Ushandesh is like an Likompo artist. She's famous. She has a hit.
Famous.
Yeah.
Why
So
famous?
Uchole no Mimi and Umimi, I think Uchole na Umimi always had like emotion, I think from high school, ne? And then mabajola kanjalo ubonile ukuthi lento yakhe ilawento iyabasebenzela into ukuthi bayajola yabo because pusha law but bahlangene before uShandesh ngathi azoba nama hit. So uShandesh uthema kathi hit already umimi bese kampushile understand bese kamsizile ukuthi like abeda, but now the story ukuthi uShandesh
ufuna indash.
and I'm a vein. Mara moving on. Like Ushandesh ne allegedly ujola like namajita nama animal including politicians of which bamnike imali. Mara manje the problem ukuthi she's taking care of umimi ne, work with me, she's taking care of umimi and the manje mabakwatelene bathi unukuthatha impahla zaka mimi athi umimi angeke amnike impahla. So umimi no the girl konje girl ban the bab what I could be wrong. Angazi the girl that was exposing everything ukhalela ukuthi manje umimi mase ka find out akushandesh uyabuya endlini ku girl, you understand, and then ahlale maybe 2 days nan uyabuyela I find out and then ufonela lo yafuthi, like it's a back and forth story.
And that's Mimi's real partner.
That's Mimi's real partner. Ooh. I could be wrong ngale ukuthi fake dating, but then his story is totally less. They could be in love very you understand, but meaning is totally story but they were fake dating for the socials because apparently Shandesh also dates amachita and uyamfebela umimi and manje umimi umabamfebela ubuyela ngale, you understand, and mababuyela ngale like so like mababuyela kuwe and stuff, let's say ukuthi you are the real girlfriend yakamimi, like when you don't mind you take her in and
Oh yeah.
but then umimi uyavaya uyele da
njalo
mase bamhetha la uyela futhi yeah isi story sakhona esikhona what
manje ushaya ngamanye ameni sekunazo uthola ukuthi intanga yona deaf.
yeah but isi story esikhona ne like hectic yeah but yeah bisasho
So okay.
Yeah, no, I don't know anything. I just know there's like Mimi Shandesh drama going on, but I did not know why it was there.
yeah I could be wrong I stand to be corrected.
Yeah. While we are on the subject yamapedi ne before sidlula Malemba
Hey Joe,
Malemba mgwebile 5 years.
5 years.
Is he petty?
Yes, Malemba is.
Is he not like so?
Uyambona ukuthi pedi lo muntu unenkani bakhathi buthi mona
Impedi wara.
No, I think petty. I think he's a foreigner, but he just grew up in Limpopo and all of that. Because can you see that? No. Let me land.
Land.
Listen, why do I say this? It's possible because if you're in Limpopo, you're not too far from Zim, right?
Sure, yes.
Yeah. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because maybe deep down he knows right here. So what he's doing is he's supporting the foreigners so much. You guys,
yeah, and he doesn't mind them.
Yes, you guys can see the
whole
whole
you were going
thing.
there. I saw you were going there.
Why do we on the foreigner chat?
On it, dog. He's supporting them.
Can I add my 2 cents?
Yeah.
I mean, I think he supports the foreign policy because I could be wrong. And very looking should speculate. I think EFF like sponsor vela ma foreigner cool. I could be wrong. Or he's in bed, not good like literal, but like he's in the same table now. And by Amfanda and in return he has to like make sure good like there's this open border policy passes through.
Moti not literally in bed. Kwabona umfazi wakhe untwana. Vele he wouldn't be in bed with her.
Uzwile umusa khawula utheni ngomfazi wakhe. Uthi apparently they going through a divorce nan.
He cheats on her all the time.
Yeah.
Malema cheats.
Yeah.
Yes.
Marombona vele ramani.
What's the level?
Yeah, easy. You know what's crazy now? Like Musa says they're going through a divorce. Then they paint another picture to the public. Hey, nice. She's kissing him right in the court.
Yeah, I understand.
And shit like that. I feel like we are being played here.
Publicity stunt.
Yeah,
understand.
It's another politician doing. It's another politician take. I mean,
I
it's
think
another politician's take.
bafuna ukuyenzani manje ne? Mina ngombono wami. Ufuna bafuna ukwenza lento yenzo Trump. akhumbula ngithi ama Mr Files bokumela phuma
and then wayenza
Next thing, World War
something
Three.
wayenza something
right
So
now
you're telling
Matlanga
me
Commission is heating
there's
up
Malema
and then-
files?
not Malema Files Matlanga Commission Files ayaphuma phela manje
Is he implicated?
in the
Is
Matlanga
he, yeah?
yona ukhona lapho somewhere
No. Who's not implicated at this point?
no one is safe baba.
DJ Smooth. Oh, now corner.
Oh.
One thing on the Malema chat, James, then I'm vibing. Like, you know what's crazy now? Malema got what? Directly sentenced, right? 5 years. If that was a normal person
25
who was
years.
no, besides that, let's
You know
just
who's in?
let's just say
Fire-
if,
discharge of firearm
Yeah, yeah, in context.
if that was a normal person,
Oh.
you as a normal person, you were going to wear that orange jumpsuit on the day.
Same
Like
time,
when
yeah,
you
yeah.
leave court, you're gonna be
You're gonna
handcuffed
phakathi,
and
yeah.
straight to
Yeah.
prison. You know what that nigga did? That nigga, there was a bus waiting for him to go talk to his people.
wena
Phela ngithi manje
mara nakhona ne you have to think about one thing ne le riot bezenzakala
yeah, I think that's what they were avoiding.
because it just was strike
So what you mean is that the law works for the people in power.
Dog,
Yeah.
if you have
Dog,
emotion
you-
enough, if you have enough motion, dog, ukanguthi wena let's say perfect
kuzuma.
example Zuma dog.
Zuma wagweba kwathiwa uyangena
Country have
Walutho.
I
angithi
love
Zuma
that
bambophile. Mele bamkhiphe.
I love that
Mele
man.
bamkhiphe.
Uzuma ubaba wethu.
I'm a triple undercarry. I don't like it. You're too quiet, bro.
people under king
Like you don't.
Yatshintsha legama
She's
manje
probably not even you're not
Like,
a politician.
Ulishintshile,
It's in
no.
triple K.
People under king
Okay,
people underscore
Okay. Which
Underscore.
and look, what's your name? What's your
Underscore K.
stage name?
Caribou.
Underscore K.
Oh, underscore K. Okay, underscore K. Like you don't have like. What's your take with everything that's going on? Kakulu, let's say Lega Julius right now. What do you actually think about it?
Ngutalazi politics
Wena. Dang.
Honestly, politics is so draining. I also wouldn't follow.
Yeah, but like
In politics bengilandela ngisafunda because bengiyenza economics. After lapho ngajula ukuthi
uyayibhekela TV
iya ngikele TV mara angibukeli indaba nongofuna.
ngini ke DStv ngi DStv who still has DStv
I don't know. Mina ngithi khona I think
you think
ngiplo medlini dog.
Ah, fine.
Ngiplo medlini.
wena kuna DStv wena
Nah, I have Netflix.
exactly that's why you ukuthi khona YouTube Showmax
Ngiyadala yena, eh.
Showmax ayisekho
Nah, DStv ubani ongana DStv? There's DStv now, dog.
DStv now
Yeah, on the apps and stuff like that.
khona le
Decoder.
khona le enje phumile online I think Showmax be discontinue
DStv now, isn't it that one? In the app, DStv, dog.
streaming what akusi
That's the one.
oh you DStv now vele
It's DStv now.
iqeda ukufika
No, like it's
ama shows amaningi ayajumpele ngala ngithi
yeah, like it's TV straight. Uma ungena lapha kune SABC 1. Wait, kuno yeah, like kunama channel like angithi mangabhadala subscription azovela ama channel wakho da. Login details nana. Yeah, look Showmax I think by canceled or something like
yeah it was
that.
cancelled mara you can still watch masabhadala mara old episodes awusangena masha manje
Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, mara ngicela ngamdisturb mntana abantu. As I was saying, like what do you think ukuthi njengoba bambophile uMalewa? Is it wise ukuthi bazo strike abantu vele?
Ngeke.
Zile ngibuze kanjani lento?
yazi ngibona ngigqikile mina I'm trying to figure out ukuthi ukubuzani
No, like I wanted to actually say, like, would it be wise for ukuthi abantu ba strike
Strike.
for uMalema? Because you know what's my take, ne? He actually did it, dog.
okay was it wise ukuthi sistrike uZuma
Yes.
Bebambophelana
It was
uZuma.
very wise.
boma 100 and something counts ntwana
Yeah, no.
Mina ngistrikeanga bengisendlini baba ukuthi angiphumi mina endlini. Ngiyapho ngiyayibona i-truck iwile lapha
Mamela, boy.
yoshukela
Mina
fana bathi
bengithi
angiyila.
ngiyabona ngiyaziceba live mina bengisetalks
Uzoboshwa.
Inside, yeah.
Yakhumbula leya sewulwethu.
ngiyaziceba nayo
Leba ibambe camera ulutha.
okay sharp mina bangibamba ngecamereni
Uyaziceba phela.
evidence ngiyayidelete video mama
Mara yeah, dog's crazy. Okay, we can move on then to my prep because
yeah.
underscore K dog like yeah these niggas.
Like,
that's why ngizibuza ube DJ kanjani ushaya mfethu
Hey ngoba mfethu lento ifuna isibindi hey.
intanga
Chekeleni yangamandla.
ini oh that's why ipuzi yangamandla now I get it
Dinga la man.
shit
Crazy.
fair
Okay, I have a question for everyone.
Khalid
Ishmat, the thing this was for the team, ne?
Ini
Mara.
kuphela.
Mara,
Continue, my brother.
okay, it's booze. Okay. Why is rap okay, ngizoyijumpa le team ne. But like, why is Rap Academy called Rap Academy but icela ama artist piano?
About rape.
To answer your question, boy, for me, it's the same shit, man. It's a camp.
right.
It's the same shit. If like
But it's called Rap Academy but
Yeah.
no rappers on site.
no, I feel like for me, what Zeus did there is what you
Academy,
do now.
Abang.
Like he wanted you guys to be
Who's
fucked
Zeus?
up and be like, yeah, it's the owner. Shout out Zeus Omega.
Okay.
Yeah. I think what he
Owner
wanted
of
to
Rap
do
Academy.
to you guys was have you guys think about it. You see what you're doing there? That's exactly what he wanted from you. Rap Academy, but there's no rappers.
Oh, if I-
Let me go look into it. Figure out Tolabo Mordecai. Niggas who look like rappers but are not doing what.
But don't
you know.
it is nothing like that, guys.
Look at the rap. Are we talking? Let's talk about style.
My
Talk
man.
about style.
Multi Rap Academy. Who's your target market? Kahle Multi Rap Academy. Because Multi Rap Academy, abam rapper ibaba zocabanga
Oh, you know why?
sinobheka la ini.
I wear a Supreme. I take Supreme.
That Supreme knows. Yeah.
Okay, so this thing-
Verified info.
Info.
Yeah, guys, it's on the Insider
Politics in
podcast.
Yeah.
If you watch the Insider podcast, ne, who's Omega was
ah.
interviewed,
Skis, yeah.
and then they asked him about like when did it start? So Rap Academy and also everything of the sorts. It's because he used to be the guy who was into hip hop, and then he would be the guy that would do publishing for Amachita, and then he would be also in producer. But he couldn't produce, but he had an eye for it. He had an ear for it.
Producer,
Yeah, he had
boy.
an ear for
Okay.
it. So he would tell them rappers, okay, this is how you do it, this is how you don't do it. And then he started the Rap Academy, but we why is this
So I started as a record label yabo rap.
yeah, they don't,
That's what I thought when I genius. Hey, Nanda.
It is genius. What
Yeah,
is-
it is genius.
Because
That was genius,
It
bro.
is
Cause
genius,
like, imagine a nigga from the UK. Again, that two Rap Academy, die la bomb rap. Kati maka figure la pa. Chapiano when
I'm
muna siya.
no way.
I'm not a finger shooting.
wait.
Come on, man.
Rap Academy le yabo K9 nabo Jack.
Yeah.
Oh, uchi yakusikolo tingoma.
Yeah.
Simbeka on plastic. Sikolo tingoma and uthi uzoyenza manje.
Maro need to release a album soon.
Saqedile ukulenza.
But will release. I'm talking about the will release.
Manje ingoma esingena ku album.
Ayikho album.
Hayi.
Yeah, mara sengiyasho sengimphula on manje. He's going to release
you're
an
shouting out the album.
Yeah, he's going to
Which
release
igama layo?
an album. I'm not sure.
Melodies what? Yeah.
Okay, we can move on to the question.
You're looking for
Lebeng.
it, shit, yeah.
Okay, while you're looking for it, if futhi bekumele futhi ngibuze wena ne if
Ukhombe banda.
ngibuze _k underscore K ne manager yakhe, and I have a question for you actually. Think vele
Nginike mic.
if ne you guys had ama superpowers, who would be the villain between you guys?
Underscore.
I'll speak of the devil.
No nyana.
I think the manager would be the devil.
No.
Ngithe mina ngamambe maka serious ngathi uzokwazi.
Mina ngisweet ke, yimi ngisweet ke.
Fair. So let's mic.
Abangafuni ukusipirate yimi I'm the one.
How did it come about with you abi manager
Manager
yakho?
kanjani yeah.
Crazy story.
So let's mic.
Hlangane church.
Nhlangane church. Niyasonta.
Yes.
Yeah, no.
Oskambo reincarnate. Oskambo phela ngiri apparently ugreka ko izitsisi. Now we let.
Ubonile ukuthi anyeke ashaya amakhizi esontweni akahambe yo-JVC idawu emathaveni emaklabhini. Mune buyela esontweni umfundisi ukhulile lapha yaye
Okay, wait. Esontweni abakujudge ngalento.
No, something we have like 3 DJs.
Dog DJing is just
Isonto lihle lapho for DJ.
Like we have
Hayibo guys, whoa. Kanti uDJ mno usathenizim kanti.
It's not satanism ne.
What I'm saying
But the
is-
lifestyle you're living boy is not good. Yeah.
No, but what I was saying is I don't think there's anything wrong with being a DJ in church. That's what I
How
Started in pants. vele wena uyi-female siya-understanda ne yazi ama-automatic DJ ukuthi ayenzani uma uphuma emkhikhini siyazi lethi siyenzayo
wenzani
hayi wena uyenzi ngikhulumela
hey this guy
ngikhulumela
uthi senzani lo hey Joe wena you understand like
ofazi abantu bayaphela ngaphandle ne
baba ungifaki nakule category
asingiyey
uthi Mr Manager uyabona But okay. Exactly. Yeah. To the team. If we all had superpowers here, who would be the villain?
Can we just be for real?
Who? Staff.
Aye, boy.
Yeah, I'm not staff. No. Yo, stop
on that Nyela. When you're links le China le trend these days.
You play?
Abantu banjani?
Ngibonanga. Fuck.
Yeah, trend boy later. I'm gonna send you the link.
Yeah, please.
Khona ethi uthi unyanya. Yo, dog.
Crazy.
Sounds like he's speaking Zulu, dog.
Is it not AI?
No.
Is this IA?
It's IA.
It's IA. It's not though.
It's not AI.
It's real.
Oh. So like he's not speaking Zulu. I mean he's speaking it's Japanese. I think it's Japanese, ne? So now it sounds like he's saying Zulu phrases. Until someone says let's have a little mos. Bungayizwa until umuntu ayisho.
Yeah. Bengithi uthi.
Yeah.
Like bengithi uthi kanti you're not saying that.
Yes.
Yeah, I get you.
Okay,
so either way. Hey, ngoba vele. What's next in your career again, man? Just since you're persuading this thing about DJing, what's next now? Are you having any gigs that you're about to perform? Guyo? About DJ by sign on my record label?
Yeah. DJ only.
Are you focusing
just
on the
DJ?
Oh yeah, just DJ. She's only just a DJ. Like, are you looking forward to that? Like, what's going on right now? Just DJ Paradise. Yeah.
Usayino kuphi?
Rap Academy.
Le out there.
Staff.
Ngitheni?
Staff.
Mara staff is explainile Joe.
Staff dog. Joe, ngicela nikene u_K chance ukuthi akhuluma. Ushaya, yazi uyazama ubreak ice marusha imntana abantu.
Oh, Mystic Melodies. Kama le album la GR.
Oh yeah, shout out GR. Yeah,
mara devil be text masimba kungoma yami.
Yeah, podcasting here.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, you can take it away. Like tell us Guti, what are you looking? Yeah, like what are you looking for into into your career?
Got drop a mixtape. Yeah. I think May. Got drop a mixtape.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm going to my live mix.
Okay. So invite lapha na ku Groove Supply ne. Amasui mix. Tech Supply ini Tech Supreme
like there's a lot that we are doing, so like we'll keep in touch.
Awunela nje mabona ukuthi uzela podcasting ha sokuplaga manager kungasicharge kodwa
Maria sab ukuthi uyomkhanselisa ngithi wena ngoba ukhuluma izinto
ezoutrageous. Staff must get cancelled alone.
Staff talk.
Mina ngithi mamelani mina entity mina mama ngathi yabasuyi podcast ngizoziveza ngiwani ukuthi akusi podcast eshilo yimi ngine contract ne podcast esho kanjalo.
Yeah, izinto ayenzayo.
Khulekani guys. Mawungisuka ngizokunika imic.
Okay, my live mix. That's all.
No, kuningi okuzayo nina nje.
Underscore.
Oh, you can see.
Tuliphakamisa voice ne.
Nina nje relaxana.
Okay, wait. Nikhuluma communicate kanjani man senkwarini makadlala because sound ya rasa.
No.
Anikhuluma.
What? It's crazy.
Ngenza umsebenzi wami take content sikhuluma up.
Yeah, while you are in there, ngithi sound ya rasa. Nikhuluma kanjani?
Ngiyakuye.
Uyamuzwa?
Ngiyakuye ngimtshele.
Uyangizwa like ngikhuluma so. Like
uyamuzwa?
Yeah.
Phambi kwespeaker.
Sengimjwayele.
I can imagine boy. Mina ngine problem yokuzwa ke mina futhi.
Yeah. Angeke uzumuzwe ke.
Angeke
uzumuzwe.
That's why you complain about this whole time.
Yeah, I'm complaining about everything. Angimuzwa. Kumina ngifaka ama headset yazi.
Yini tekenza ukuthi umthembe ezi manager yakho? Talk like
yini into engenza ukuthi ngimthembe because like umsebenzi awenzayo for mina like
What is it? If let's say ngiphe i-description yomsebenzi wakho wenzani?
Obviously ngitholele ama-gig and uyadiscipline. Yeah, akazwani
He looks
nje
like quite the
nezinto ezi-
disciplinarian.
ngitshela ukuthi makaseka singathi uzogwaza.
Yeah, no, I-
So yeah, uyadiscipline.
Oh kusho ukuthi wena usitudi kahle kahle.
No.
Discipline amakwenze njani?
No, obvious maybe isikhathi. Mina nginenkinga yesikhathi yabo.
Mara namhlanje upunctual. Oh, uwe,
Also,
my
I
brother.
think also as a thing-
shout out to you, my
I
brother.
think also as a female DJ, obviously, groove is not a very safe space. It's good to walk around with, you know,
Yeah.
skantsontsonyana.
Skantsonso.
Massive.
Skantsonso. Sigigile.
Makes sense. So you have faith in
Nama-
ukuthi uzo
Hey, hey, awuzwa.
nama bounce.
Yeah.
You
Yini niyabhadala nina mos.
stuff.
Niyabhadalwa. No, niyabhadala namabhansi or nibathengela utshwala.
Like sekumuntu esihamba naye kumngani.
Entourage.
It's the group.
Okay,
okay. Ilaba se-church. Laba se-church, lento se-church iyangistressa yazi. Sakazi vele nesonta.
Siyasonta every
Niya-DJ.
Sunday. Every Sunday.
So-
After
so-
siyolala.
Niya egigini.
So you don't take Sunday gigs.
No.
Okay.
Sunday gigs kanjani? Ngathi nisonta nhle ebusuku.
No.
Or
So
Sunday-
manje what if he groove maybe you got a slot maybe sase White House City 4 to
On a
5
Sunday.
a.m. on a Sunday.
Kwe.
No, because like it's we are not like guys.
Athi kwe.
That's gonna be a hard one, hey? That's gonna be a hard one because now I'm thinking when you actually blow up, like shout out to Clock Kids, you are gonna blow up.
Yeah,
You know that you can
That's right.
gig from Monday to
Monday.
Tuesday
Monday to Monday.
or Monday to Monday. What
Literally.
happens then?
Mike, sorry.
Floppies. Abazali.
So there's Mike, my brother.
Bayafana yabona. Like
Okay.
ba strict ngekere.
Oh, okay.
Boy2 bayaservice something yabona.
Which gig have you organized? Yeah, King like this is like
So
big
far.
gig. Yeah.
Like yeah, the biggest one.
Sina 3 months isebenza ne.
Okay.
Biggest gig engitholile was
Kaparaza.
Kaparaza.
Okay.
And then enye futhi makaba basenzele itori.
Be honest.
Yeah.
Scale out of 10. Is set like ibongal rate ngaki. Be honest.
Masicambela man.
That day, Paras. That day, Paras. That day. That day. Yeah. 8.
8 from last suka khona.
So what was the problem?
For mina la.
What was the two that was missing?
Ngathini?
Can be a perfect 10. I think.
Nah, dog. Like,
Awuyazi ngimtshelile I
Oh.
can't.
also, you can't disclose it.
Shay hash.
In terms of
Asiyazi.
in terms of managing, what would you rate him? Be honest.
Ungamsaba anyeke akushaya somshaya makanga.
Manager yakhe.
In terms of your
Managing. How much?
Unokwazi now.
Yena uzongitshela uzositshela ke sichilile namhlanje uzositshela. Yeah. Dog.
I think 8.5. Yeah.
1.5 yepi.
Yeah.
1.5 yepi.
I phela sometimes angisho like asiboni.
Oh,
Yeah, sure, okay.
Hayi.
Bana ziyabuya.
Like what's the craziest? Mara yazini bafethu ngixosha.
Ngixosha ne.
Nah.
Abuya my sister. Oh, my brother. Ngitlo sharp alone.
Like guys, please respect the set.
Bongi?
Respect the set. But like, okay. Anyway, I lost my chain of thought.
What is the 8.5 for? Where's the other 1.5?
I will sidlulile lapho.
Angithi bebahleka.
Bebahleka la.
Share the joke. Share the joke. Share the joke.
Come on.
8.5. Ngike lathaya mwala.
Yeah.
Niyahleka. Angithi anisithathe serious.
Yeah, shit.
Angirinki serious.
They ringi serious.
Mari imali yangena through yena ni? Yeah, I feel you're satisfied. Manager,
Why?
are you satisfied? You're not.
The manager's never satisfied.
No, like kuningi esisazokwena.
No, clock it. What's your vision kulento yakho? Like, what's the epitome? Like the.
Bayibambe ngathi uya rap ne. Awuna chance.
Yeah, but at least we go still. Yeah. Uncle Waffle's level, ne? Okay. Yeah. Now it's a learning curve for you as we manage, ane.
But I think it's also weird.
Any advice for any female DJ who to like ufunu yeah.
Coming, yeah.
Yo, yeah, because now we upcoming. Okay, I would say like you must stay humble and abona mele uthole management must say upcoming ukuze uzoba ne direction yabo.
So that's how my manager vele like.
Because if awuna manager like uzovele ubone freedom and wenze izinto ezingena.
Okay.
So you guys have only been working together for 3 months. So what were you doing before the 3 months where you started
Yeah,
working with him?
crazy.
Esikolweni ngisafunda.
Oh,
Wait, didn't you
okay.
say like it's been a year uDJ?
Yeah, like ngithi bengisesikolweni ne but lo muntu lo bekangifundisa
Oh,
would take me to
usesikolweni
his gigs,
usafunda.
ayongidlalisa.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Oh, okay, you were learning uDJ. She was a prodigy anyway.
So
Okay,
between the
makes
then
sense.
and now, like from the first day you went to the DJ Academy, between then and now, what do you think, like, what lessons are you taking home with you? What lessons are you taking to the top with you?
The lesson I'm taking like home ukuthi whenever like
Yebo.
ngenza ngihluphule hash yabo.
Okay.
Mele ngingapanic, mele ngilungise. And mina ngumuntu like whenever I do mistake fast like ngiyakhona ukuthi ngibe aware of yona. Yabo ngilene from it ukuthi okay next time and the next time angeke ngisayenza. Yeah.
Angidisturb la emuva namhlanje.
Joe lava kumela ngiba night now we are here.
Hey, ndoda.
Fly, sila emzansi. Why? Yeah, man, that's actually crazy. That's nice. But then, hey, avoid amash. Mariazin. Like avoid amash. Like mina yazi Joe like I don't have okay, I do have a problem with DJ udlale hash. Mara at the same time, point of view of DJ I do understand what it's a journey.
Yeah.
DJ because not everything is angeke uhlala ube perfect. So whenever Joe like don't get discouraged in what you're doing. I see you have the vision ukuthi vele ufuna ukuyafair ngayo. Like my advice to you, keep on pushing. Maybe sohlangana phambili. Sidli imali lapha sibona uncle wafunza siperformela thina.
Asicaleni phansi ne. uChristos unangakhi intanga?
Christos.
The DJ.
The old guy I was trying to know, he was probably in his 60s now.
Inxosa yakhe inangakhi mfethu?
Ngosika Christos nangakhi.
Lo muntu uyasho ukuthi inxosa kaChristos linini le.
Oh yeah, taxi free.
Liya mfethu. Le nto le incane man. Letha manje le create. Isasedini isikhathi ukuthi yenza abantwana le.
Yentwana le ifina 20 and is in his 60s maybe umenza na uma 40 something.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Umama khona usho incane.
I don't know, bra.
Amanye amakhweshini abana nawo nomuntu khona amakhweshini okuzibuza wona ne. Yiwo lawo mina ngizibuza wona mangihleli ngiwani. Ukuthi enhlaki kanjani?
But your mind goes too wild on that stuff.
Walost uyatholakala ku Spotify niyas?
Ena.
Niyas?
Masatholakala walost usho ukuthi utholakala mase ucula wenzani walost uthi ngikuthini ngoma.
Ngoma toka just saw it on the net. Push out. Hey, Joe. Push us smash.
Push Us Smash is a real song.
Yeah,
I thought it
nah.
was just TikTok.
And he's doing the numbers.
Yena vele support unayo from.
But it's got to find a CV job.
Untwana beka ngaphi minyaphi?
Yeah, like he was on
Ngaphi
drugs. And then
So are we supporting that vele?
no,
We're
Joe,
supporting
we're supporting
recovery.
the recovery.
Yeah, but I mean he recovered and then he went back and then he recovered again.
He recovered. That's the point.
Yeah,
That's the
He's
point.
in
Facts.
recovery now.
And impilo ngathi mnandi kuye right now.
Inama yazini.
Because bekashaya tattoo la but yeah.
Wait. Yazini inkinga yami South Africa ne. Support amanyala yazi South Africa.
True.
Support unyawo ngithi manje.
Okay.
Ningangijudge. Angithi
He's in recovery.
support umuntu oyi-wife beater.
Ngapha uskomota une reality TV show
Usikomata.
157 dog.
Mara mocha love, you know mocha love.
Wayela dog.
Noma sengathi wahleli konyeni singaba ne reality show lapha nta.
But uskomota we nakini like batla chelete no.
Ulo shanga ngithathula isikop.
Hey, angazi Joe.
Oh.
Mara yeah, hey,
Khona sisilo,
Joe like
lesisilo.
yo South Africa yeah live with possibilities.
Yeah, mara
eh?
we are supporting amanyala, that's the thing mina ngishoyo. Ubani silo bani lo shaya makunuti.
Yeah.
Simsupport la ngathi uyahlanya la. Ukashaya umfazi wakhe lo muntu.
So it made it scene. No, we won't listen to that shit because you're a wife beater.
Yeah, like we can be supporting
Uyibona into eyenzayo, dog.
YouTube baphuma emajele bana ma Spotify. We're supporting shit emzansi dog.
Okay, so my interesting into ayenzayo ingakhohlwa ukuthi mamela when you go to jail it's rehabilitation so be rehabilitated waphuma washaya content sayibukela content so singasabukeli into ukuthi umuntu
Angisho ukuthi singayibukeli ne. I'm just saying we support shit.
okay
That's all.
ukusupport ukubukela
Yeah.
so singabukeli
Ukubukela nokusupporta is not the same thing.
wena ukhala ngama supporter wakhe
Yes.
so he shouldn't have ama supporter because of his past. I'm playing devil's advocate by the way.
Devil's advocate. Hey bana. Pastor wa elimo yajali machila ke machila man.
Yeah, aside. But he faced the music.
Ifana nomuntu
He faced the music, he went to jail. Underscore like Hussein Wele.
udlala ngepiano.
Udlala ngini. Yeah, but yeah, interesting. Now ngiseba Qile, what do you think about this?
What do you think about South Africa supporting all this bullshit?
Like obvious abantu abamnyama nje bullshit nje into yabo yabona nje singatrenda ngento encane small things ukuthi umuntu like into ephuma endleleni South Africa siyayithanda.
That's what I'm saying.
Jupla maswita amaningi. Mara uye
Wabutshela phethe amakhemera.
mina into engiyikhalilayo bafethu ukuthi okay ntwana it's like you stuff. Yabona ukhuluma kanjani ngo Black Coffee and then uye jail for that shit.
I go to jail.
My man, I'm making example. Let me learn. Dog, why are you repeating this thing? You shouldn't repeat it every episode, dog. Sky.
When go to jail for long?
Nyabuz.
Okay,
Joe,
okay.
let me learn.
Okay, learn.
And then you go to jail. When you come back, ubuye la podcast. So abantu kwamele ungabi ni support because
podcast. I know what I've done. I did my time. Ngihlala kithi rekindle with your
But this
mind.
is how you make your bread.
This is how I make my bread.
yeah.
In a way, okay, whatever.
How?
But hopefully it's gonna, you know.
What
how you
okay.
make your bread.
So when I got to what must happen?
That-
Uyacaba ukuthi intanga umuntu ubuye ejele. Ne-employment kahle is not. That's what.
Yeah, but at the same time,
Yes.
Joe, lo muntu u-rehabilitate. Angithi bayasho ukuthi rehabilitation.
Yes, and my chat is
U-rehabilitated.
when employment, nah, sharp. But obviously, if you're not gonna be employed, you're gonna try to do something, maybe a business. Do you not expect that support
Yeah. Just because of your past.
because of your past?
Just because of my past. Ngiyenzeni?
Well,
Ngiyenzeni? Past time.
Uthe wena u-Black Coffee.
Oh.
I understand.
Past time yakajujuba ifani. Yabona masibeka kanjani?
Sengibekisa ngithi example ukuthi
Yeah,
let's
mara
say
ifani.
phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi in front of the law there's no
no sin is greater than the
no
other.
sin is greater than the
In the eyes of the
okay
what?
but I'm lying
Ayikho lento enishoyo.
angeke
In the eyes of the law, no
assault
sin is greater
angeke
than the
ngitholele the
other.
same number as email so I'm
Come on,
wrong
guys.
I'm
But
wrong
either way,
Lento
you're
enishoyo
gonna go to
isebenzi.
jail. You're gonna go to jail either way.
Sharp. Mara kusala i-treatment yakhona nayo different. Angeke uzongicompare nomuntu orapile just because ngithi umuntu akwazi ukukhuluma yena. Come on bafethu ayena.
No, it's not
Lo
like
yena
that.
ke ulibulela abantwana umbulali.
Now you kill people's dreams.
This thing ingazonyenza ngathi ngingifundanga nina.
when are we wrapping up
Asirephen up vele ngithi.
let's wrap up dog because like
Vibe.
this is Chilanami podcast
Aye.
I'm chilling no underscore underscore K.
Caribou.
Check her out on Instagram. She's promising. She's upcoming. She's a nice DJ. Book her. Echo.
Yeah, so far everything that part.
Yeah. Follow there. Whatever. It's a rap. Oh, Mr. It's a rap.
It was so lovely to have you, Caribou. Beautiful episode. Thank you so much, love.
Until next time.
It's a rap.
It's a rap.
Everyone. Stop.